guys, it's Emma here.
Now burn, baby, burn.
The album have had a comeback with Firework. You guys have asked me to react to them. I have reacted to them before. I have not kept myself updated. I think I remember calling them very angelic-like, but I'm not too sure. It was a very long time ago. But please do tell me all about them in the comments below still, and do tell me their names again, because I know that I'm just going to be referring to them as like, oh, that one's so beautiful and that one's so sexy, and because that's like what I do when I don't know names. So yeah, please do tell me all about them in the comments below. Anyway, let's go. Oh wow. I don't remember 5 of them. Wait. I remember her. That gave me shivers. Whoa. They have womanly voices, I remember that. Oh, she's got a powerful voice. You! I remember having really nice vocals. Two of us. Her hair's gorgeous. Oh, I want to learn the dance. They're such a gorgeous group. So underrated. That kind of raspy, whispery voice comes out of nowhere. It's quite a sexy sounding song, like just by their voices, which is an amazing thing to be able to do, is make a song sound sexy with just your voice. Yeah. Oh, I really like it. Ooh. Such a mature, sexy group. Vocals, man. Yeah. Yeah. It's so sexy without being like dirty, you know, like they made it so clean and yet so sexy at the same time. They didn't even have to do a revealing dance or just anything to make it show that it's a sexy song. Like the feel of their voices makes it so sexy, and just the slightest movements from them was so graceful that it became sexy in a good way. I don't know how being sexy could be taken in a bad way. I always mean it in a good way. I found it hard to follow the verse and just anything that wasn't the chorus or the hook. I found it so hard to follow along that melody. But once we got to the chorus, like, I love that. I love that. That was so enjoyable for me, especially the yeah. Like, that was fun. It's probably a sad song. Or is it talking about, like, because it said about you and I, was it about, like, with us as, like, fireworks, or, like, I don't know. I know, you'll have to tell me in the comments below because they don't have subtitles. The joys of being an international fan. That firework bit, yeah, like that bit. I love it. It gets me so hyped. Yeah. Like, I want to do that. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go up to my mom and I'm just gonna be like, yeah, and she's gonna be really confused. But that's life. When you live with me, you're always confused. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!